After you label them alphabetically, you want to be sure to put each sample into its own individual tray. The red labels go to accounting, while the green labels go to the tech department. Don't get the cyan and the pink mixed up, because the cyan goes to the third floor, to the county recorder's office. The pink goes to the ground floor, to the county offices. The 1 milliliter vial always goes in the top drawer. Now, for the 13 milliliter vial, you want to put them in the air-conditioned drawer, which is 2 drawers below the sterile drawer, which is where we put the ones for the tech department. But they won't be labeled green, they'll be labeled teal. Now this is our main morgue, LA's finest facilities. Do I make myself clear? Are you following me here?
Yeah.
Mr. Fallen?
Don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. Not those. I wanted you to start with these. Son, have you ever seen a dead body?
No. The online degree doesn't have hands-on courses.
Would you like to see one? Okay, you get on to work. I'm going to run these down to the lab. I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, now we got 2 more Johns coming in here today. I want you to take those tools, get them in the sink, get them cleaned up, and be sure they're sterilized.
Mr. Fallon, please.
Right. Be right there. Now we're going to start prepping. And maybe, just maybe, you might learn something. Carry on here. I'll be back in a little bit. Relax, it's just a little humor. This is Lisette, my assistant.
You really fell for it. We do this to all the interns.
We're all in on it. Me, Lisette, Frank.
Yeah, Frank's in on it too.